Welcome back, friends. And if you're new here, thank you for joining. This is Pam, and I'm on a Mounjaro journey, and I've lost 160 pounds. Now, every morning I have a routine of making greens gut health. It is Arbonne Green Synergy Elixir. Now, sometimes when I don't have this, I will use Kyala greens. But the Arbonne does have an extra benefit of some collagen in there for your skin, and it is a true digestive enzyme. Drink up. So you do this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before you have your coffee or anything to eat. Oh, and look at this. We were at Hobby Lobby and my daughter found this for me. So gingerbread measuring cups. I'm just going to use them for decoration. I thought it was so cute. And after this, we're making our coffee and we're adding protein. Oh, those are some gingerbread houses I found at Kirkland. And then the gingerbread wooden gingy, he is from Marshall's. All right, so we're using our Fairlife chocolate protein. We're adding it into our frothing cup. And then we're going to add Clear Simple Eats vanilla protein powder. Get some extra protein everywhere we can. So I can add that in there. It's going to thicken up the protein shake. And then I'm going to use my Devotion frother and mix that up nice and smooth and make it nice and like very foamy, like a cold foam. And we'll put that on top of the coffee. Now today we are brewing up Joshua Tree coffee beans, and then we're adding this to our coffee. Now, before I finish, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of pumps from Skinny Mixes, Jordan Skinny Mixes, and I have just received my pink pump dispensers. So I'm so excited. I ordered two. I didn't get in there in the deal in time to I think you were going to get a free one. So hopefully you guys got that. And we're adding our hot water to the beans, and then we're going to use our French press to press those down. The Skinny Mixes that I'm using are 3 pumps of gingerbread, and I used 3 pumps of toasted marshmallow. It came out very tasty, very delicious, and it helped me to be ready to start our Thanksgiving cooking as we turned on the traditional Macy's Thanksgiving Parade. Right, you guys, you have a wonderful day. Just wanted to make sure that I remind you, even on the holidays, it's good that we keep these morning routines to start off the day right. Especially because I know we're going to, probably be eating more calories than we're used to, and that's okay. Go out for a walk. And if you somehow didn't make it out for a walk today, then let's be sure that we get out and walk tomorrow. It's okay. You can do it. Now, I'm putting in the new pumps, and I'm just showing you how they come separated, and you just put the straw part onto the pump, and then you put that inside of the syrup jar there. So Tuesday is my shot day, and I was traveling and did not have it with me. I actually was going to take it, and I just completely forgot. I was staying with my grandson at the children's hospital, and so today, being Thursday morning, after I got my coffee ready, then I went ahead and gave my shot, and this time I injected into the back of my left arm. So next week it will either be the back of my right arm or the right abdomen, or I might even try the inner thigh. So this morning I was kind of surprised after not having a scale and being away from home. I weighed a pound less today. It was 152 or 151 point something. And this is week 5 of maintenance. I'm doing really good. I feel like nothing has really changed. I went down from a 10 milligram down to 7.5. So Here we are putting in the foam. Just want to encourage you guys. Like, I know that sometimes some people have plateaus. Just stay in there. Just take a look, making sure that you are drinking enough water, that you are going for a walk. And if you can't go for a walk, then maybe do some chair exercises, just getting up and down, like in a seated position and standing, whatever you can do. And or if you can only do arm exercises, get either use weights, free weights, or something heavy like a soup can or a water bottle. All right, I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'm going to be sharing some recipes, and I'm wearing my gingerbread apron that I got from the $5 spot in Target. All right, you guys, thank you for being here. And I hope if you're not subscribed that you will like my content and you will subscribe to my channel. Help us grow. Thank you so much.